let's say you're back in the back side here and we want to edit the About Us page. So we want to edit some information. We're just going to click Edit, and it'll take us right into the About page, and we've got a ton of content here. That's filler content. So let's explore this editor a little bit. Alright, so in your edit page area, this is your title. So this will map to your title. Let's go ahead and let's click View Page. You can see that About Us is the same as this title here. If you make a change, let's say we don't like About Us, we just want About, and we click Update. We can go back to this page and click Refresh, and you'll see that that will change. So let's look at this editor here a little bit more. If you look here, you've got bold functionality, so we can do this. Let's say we want these three words to be bolded and italicized and struck through. So that'll do some styling right there for you. Let's say we don't want it struck through, but I do like it bold and italicized. I want to keep that. And you know what? I want this to be bulleted. Nope, actually numbered. There we go. So that's going to number that. And then here, we're going to do a quotation. There's a lot of different themes that style the quotations differently. So let's just look at what this theme does. Let's go. We don't want to update yet because we're not sure if we like these changes, but we want to go to preview changes. So let's preview these changes. And so if you're in a quotation on this theme, it's going to automatically style it to have these little quotations and put it inside this box. And you know what? I decide I like that. I want to keep that like that. So I'm going to close out this preview, and I'm going to say I'm going to go ahead and update that how that is. Alright, so more things here. You've got more paragraph stylings. You can go through these. Let's say you wanted to make this word a link. Alright, you can go in and you can click this little link button, and you can type in the URL of the link that you're going to. Title it. That's always good for SEO, which is search engine optimization. It'll help Google know what this link is, understand a little bit more. And as a rule of thumb for me when I'm working with sites, if I have a link that's outside my own site, I will click this box. That way it opens a new tab. That way there's another tab of the site still open. Otherwise, if it's an internal link, if it's a link that's going to another page within my site, I will uncheck this and just leave that. So let's just click the home page. And since it's internal, I'm going to uncheck this box and just click Add Link. You can see now there's a link there. Okay, so that's that. Let's say we've also got some more options here. So if you click this little box here on the end, it'll give you a second row where you can do some more styling. So let's say I want to enter another title for this page, so maybe a subtitle. So maybe this one I want to say About Us. So we can highlight that. Let's give that a heading, I like a heading 3. You can preview these changes to see what this will do. In each theme, these headings will style differently. So make sure you preview these changes before you click Update, just to make sure you like what it looks like. You've got some more changes here. We've got an indent button. You can indent the text, or you can undo redo button. So you've got a basic editor here. It's intelligent. That way it basically codes it for you. If you ever want to look at what the actual code looks like, if you go over to this tab, you can click on HTML, and it will show you what all this is doing. So this editor is intelligently adding in all this code, and then when you click Update, it will automatically code it to the front side of the site for you. So it's a pretty powerful tool for content editing.